up guys, it's Jean, and today I'm gonna be doing my curly hair routine. I'm gonna be doing my curly hair routine. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I put in my hair, what method I use to get my curls and all that. Okay, so before we get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so I just washed and deep conditioned my hair. I used the, let me show you guys. Ooh, I used the Honey Miracle hair mask, and when I tell you, this thing is the goat. I love it. It does everything that you need it to. It's so good, and it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. So this is definitely one of my favorite hair masks, and you guys should definitely try it. But let's get right into it. Look, I still have a twist in. I had it in twist when I deep conditioned it, and I tried to take them out when I was rinsing it out, but I guess I didn't do a good job. Okay, so this is my hair, freshly deep conditioned. I have no product in it right now. All right, so first we're gonna section off the hair. How we section this off? Fours? Yeah, we could do that. One clip. And clip number 3. I've got my spray bottle. I'm just gonna spray the hair down. You come closer. Okay, so like I said, we're just getting the spray bottle. We're gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. This is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner. One of my faves of all time. I think I actually got this combination from a YouTuber, Kimberly Sherrill. Yeah, I got this combo from Kimberly Sherrill, and I was like, oh my god, I have to try it. And then I tried it, and now it's my favorite. It's my fave, one of my top faves. So I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner in. Okay, and I'm actually gonna take some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna go in the roots a little bit. I need a little bit more for the roots. We're gonna go in the roots, give myself a little massage and whatnot. We're gonna split that in half, and then we're gonna go in with the Denman brush, the Denman brush. Okay, the Denman brush. We're gonna go in with the Denman brush because I can't say the actual name. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey Curl Sculpting Custard. We're gonna go in with that, put it on there, and you could already see, woo! Do y'all see that? You can already see the definition coming in, but, oh my god, my hands are so slippery. But to top it off, we are then gonna go in with the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Look, yo, it's almost done. It is almost done. Look at how sticky that thing is. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit. Start in the roots and then bring it down. I actually need a little bit more water because you can't go wrong with a little bit more water. Okay, make sure you get the roots, all right? That's one of the keys. Make sure you get in the roots so your roots aren't puffy. And then we are gonna shingle. Okay, we're gonna shingle just the ends. That is it. That's all I do. I shingle the ends to give it a little bit more pop. Okay, and then boom. You see that? That's what I did. Okay guys, so I'm gonna continue to do this all around my hair. We're gonna speed it up for you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go dry my hair and stretch it a little bit, and once I'm finished I'll be right back to show you guys the end result. Okay?
I'm sorry I lied to you.
Okay, so we're all finished. My hair is completely dried. Well, it's like 90% dry. I use this thing back here. This is my mom's. I have no idea where she got it. She got it like a bajillion years ago, so I don't know, but you could probably find something like this off of like Amazon or something probably better, because like I said, it's super old. Anyways, I love how it turned out, but I'm not surprised because I love this combo. Every single time I use it, it never disappoints me. So yeah, I kind of stretched it a little bit. I fluffed it out a bit. not too much. I kind of like how it looks right now. I could probably stretch it some more, but I'm gonna just leave it how it is. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.